In today's video, I am going to teach you how to ignore calls without blocking someone. If you are trying to keep your phone quiet without cutting anyone off permanently. These built-in iPhone tools make it simple. We will use Do Not Disturb to silence everything when you need focus, and silence unknown callers to filter out numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. First, let's use Do Not Disturb, which is part of Focus. This is great when you want a quiet phone for a meeting, a workout, or just some downtime. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap Focus, then choose Do Not Disturb. Once it's on, your phone won't ring or buzz for incoming calls and most notifications. Calls still come in silently, and they will appear in your recents and voicemail as usual. But your phone won't interrupt you in the moment. This is an important distinction. You are not blocking anyone. You are just staying undisturbed. You can also customize Do Not Disturb so important people can still reach you. In the Focus settings, there are options to let calls through from specific contacts or your emergency contacts. That way, your close family, a partner, or anyone you rely on for urgent updates can get through, while everything else stays quiet. It's a helpful balance between being available and maintaining focus. Next, let's filter out calls from numbers you don't recognize using Silence Unknown Callers. This is perfect if most interruptions come from unsaved numbers, like telemarketers or spam. On your iPhone, open Settings, then scroll to the bottom and open Apps. Find and open the Phone app. Scroll down to the section for unknown callers and toggle silence on. With this enabled, calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts won't ring. They'll be silenced and sent straight to voicemail, and they'll still show up in your call history, so you can review them later. A couple of tips while you use these features. If you are expecting an important call from a number you haven't saved yet, you might want to temporarily leave Silence Unknown Callers off so you don't miss it. And if you rely on certain services that call from rotating numbers, check your recents and voicemail periodically to make sure you are not overlooking anything you need. That's it. Thanks for watching.